Hi to all our lovely dental patients. As it is Dental Hygiene Month, this is just a little reminder to stay motivated with your daily home care routine. There are plenty of gadgets out there to keep your mouth healthy. We will start with interdental cleaning for two reasons. It dislodges plaque and debris and leaves a clean surface for your fluoride toothpaste to reach and strengthen. The main types are floss and interdental brushes, and it really just depends on the size of your gaps. Tape or glides are smoother and easier to use than plain floss. Just squeeze it through the contact point and curve it around each surface of the adjacent teeth. Interdental brushes, like these TPs, are better for wider spaces. They come in a variety of sizes and are colour coded. Place it down at the gum line in between your teeth and give each side a little brush. Single tufted brushes are ideal for awkward, hard to reach areas like wisdom teeth. Finally, your electric toothbrush. Aim it at the gum line and move it slowly around the arch, letting it sweep away all the dislodged debris and bacteria. We look forward to seeing you in the practice very soon.